The footage opens with a Ukrainian reconnaissance UAV observing Russia's 91-6 radar complex, exposed in the open terrain of the Eastern Front. Within moments, the UAV transmits the coordinates to a Ukrainian strike unit, which launches a kamikaze drone toward the target. The impact delivers heavy damage, crippling the radar's detection zone and boosting the safety of Ukraine's air operations. But this is just the beginning. More radar systems worth millions of dollars are about to be hunted down and destroyed. Stay with us. The first footage reveals Russia's Buk M3 radar system, a key component of its air defense network. Positioned in the open near Zaporizhzhia in southeastern Ukraine, the system becomes the target of a Ukrainian artillery strike. Within moments, the guided surface-to-air missile launcher is hit, leaving the once formidable weapon in ruins. Soon after, Ukraine's security service launches a follow-up operation using HIMARS. At the start of the video, a reconnaissance UAV tracks the movement of the Buk M3 in exposed terrain. Without delay, the drone transmits the coordinates to Ukrainian forces. Moments later, HIMARS unleashes a precision strike with near-perfect accuracy, delivering another devastating blow to Russia's defenses. The Buk M3 is considered one of Russia's premier air defense assets, designed to engage targets in the air, on land, and even at sea. Each unit is estimated to cost between $40 and $50 million, depending on its configuration. While exact numbers remain unclear, military experts suggest that Russia may have already lost dozens of these systems during the war in Ukraine, an enormous financial and strategic setback. Next footage shows Ukrainian forces targeting Russia's Zoopark 1 counter-battery radar. A reconnaissance UAV tracks the system as Russian troops attempt to hide it inside a shelter. But as always, Ukraine's drone operators act swiftly, transmitting the coordinates to artillery units, who respond with near-perfect accuracy. The result, another Russian radar system reduced to rubble. In the following scene, the Zoopark 1 remains the focus, but this time it's HIMARS delivering the strike. The footage begins with a Ukrainian reconnaissance drone quietly observing the radar's position. Seconds later, the coordinates are relayed to HIMARS operators. Without hesitation, a missile is launched, and the explosion confirms another direct hit. Russia's prized radar system, once designed to hunt artillery, is now hunted itself. Finally, we take a closer look at the Zoopark 1 itself. This mobile counter-battery radar was built by Russia to detect enemy mortars, howitzers, and HIMARS positions. Yet in reality, it has become a frequent casualty of Ukraine's precision strikes, especially from HIMARS. Each unit is estimated to cost around $24 million. According to open-source trackers like Oryx, Russia has lost at least 15 Zoopark systems, including 8 Zoopark 1 and 15 upgraded Zoopark 1N units, a costly failure for Moscow's battlefield strategy. Next footage shows Ukrainian forces striking Russia's Yastreb AV counter-battery radar. As always, the video begins with a reconnaissance UAV observing the radar system, standing exposed in the middle of an open field. Within moments, the coordinates are transmitted to Ukrainian artillery operators, who waste no time in launching a strike with near-perfect accuracy. The result is another Russian radar system destroyed in seconds. In the following scene, the Yastreb AV remains the target, but this time, HIMARS takes the lead. The footage opens with a Ukrainian reconnaissance drone quietly tracking the radar's position. Seconds later, the coordinates are relayed to HIMARS operators. Without hesitation, a missile is launched, and the explosion confirms yet another devastating hit on Russia's so-called advanced defenses. The Yastreb AV is one of Russia's newest counter-battery radar systems, reportedly tested only in late 2021 or early 2022. Official specifications remain undisclosed, though Moscow claims it can automatically track artillery shells and pinpoint firing positions with its phased array antenna. Its exact cost is uncertain, but some reports suggest a staggering $250 million per unit, though this figure is difficult to verify and may be exaggerated. Regardless of the price tag, Ukraine's strikes have once again proven that even Russia's most modern systems are far from untouchable. With the destruction of Russia's Buk M3, Zoopark 1, and even the newly tested Yastreb AV, Ukraine has proven that no radar system is beyond reach. Multi-million-dollar assets once hailed as the backbone of Moscow's defenses now lie in ruins, shattered by precision strikes guided by drones, artillery, and HIMARS. These victories are more than tactical. They are psychological blows that strip away Russia's ability to see, to defend, and to control the battlefield. For Ukraine, each strike means safer skies, stronger morale, and a louder message to the world. Technology, speed, and intelligence can outmatch outdated doctrine and brute force. And as this war continues to evolve, one thing is certain: the story of Ukraine's precision warfare is only just beginning.